Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Many of us love Clash of Clans, but playing it on an older, less powerful computer can feel like a real uphill battle. Traditional emulators often demand more resources than a low-end PC can comfortably offer, leaving you with frustrating lag. By 2025, with technology constantly evolving, there's really only one truly effective way to enjoy your village without upgrading your hardware. When you try to run an Android emulator on a low-end PC, you're essentially asking your computer to simulate an entirely separate device, and that's incredibly resource-intensive. Emulators demand a lot of your processor and memory, which older machines simply don't have in abundance. This often leads to frustrating lag, slow loading screens, and a generally poor gaming experience, making them less than ideal for smooth Clash of Clans action. The game changer for low-end PCs is cloud gaming. With this technology, super powerful servers in data centers actually run Clash of Clans for you. Your computer then simply receives a live video stream of the gameplay and sends your mouse clicks or keyboard presses back to the server. This setup means your PC doesn't need much processing power at all, allowing even older machines to enjoy a perfectly smooth and high-quality gaming experience. When exploring cloud gaming options, start by looking for services that specifically cater to streaming mobile games or Android applications. Your internet speed is incredibly important here. A strong, stable connection will ensure a smooth, lag-free experience. Many of these platforms offer free trials, which are a fantastic way to test if the service works well with your home network and provides the performance you expect for Clash of Clans. Getting started is quite straightforward. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast. Using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi can often provide the best results. Then, simply create an account with your selected cloud gaming provider, link your existing Clash of Clans progress, and you're ready to play. You'll soon be enjoying smooth, responsive gameplay, proving that even a low-end PC can conquer the world of Clash of Clans in 2025.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.